Because the industry is the backbone of the economy of any country, and because of the problems facing factories, which is energy-saving problems, as it is the sector that consumes the most electricity. That's why we are an SES for renewable energy systems. It was always our top priority, industry support and development, with the latest solar energy systems as the most economical alternative for energy. Because it reduces the electricity consumption, it provides competition opportunities for factories by reducing production costs. This reflects on the price of the final product in the market. So, SES has designed and implemented solar power plants for many major factories in Egypt with the highest standards of quality and efficiency, including the station of L'Oreal Factory, Nissan Motors Factory, Chloride Factory, Jushi Factory, Johnson Factory, Massa Factory, and Tiba El Manzalawi Factory. Work continues to support the industrial sector with the latest solar energy systems. SES, your dependence on an economical source of energy increases your power to compete. SES, Energy and Development, which means production and export.